Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 3, Golden Arrows 0. Put how's it?
Kunjani mfethu?
Shamjani mfethu?
Sharp bro.
Nice man.
Yeah.
Why ushaya ingane yokuhlunga nje?
Man, angithi
Three yonke.
uhamba ubaba
And last week washayile
Hey ndoda. And manje usile bekumele sishaye abanye Saturday kanje. Sishaye abantu abaroho.
Nikwatele izingane.
Hey ndoda, abantwana bethu mfethu.
Exactly.
Yeah, mara what a nice game.
Development,
Yeah, what a nice game.
Development yami. My ignore le.
Hey ndoda, ungayisho le. Abantwana baphela lapha.
You take the game up.
It was a very beautiful game, mfethu. I think now we Golden Arrows ibonile ukuthi today was a send-off for our coach.
Exactly,
you would not analyze anything, but everybody was emotional. I think even no coach away Golden Arrows, he was emotional because if you could hear in the corridors, there's no coach who doesn't praise that guy.
Exactly.
How humble he is, how his personality, how he respects everybody, how he gives you chance. In fact, he makes other people feel important. He's not arrogant, but the job he's done for Orlando Pirates is so magnificent. There's no coach in the last 5 to 10 years has done what he's done in South Africa, except maybe Mamelodi Sundowns. But for us, he gave us pride, he gave us respect, wasibusela happiness. Abanye bethu besine dress maroyazi mawuze Orlando mawuphuma esigodini ujabulile, nomama ekhaya ujabulile, ukudla kumnandi ekhaya, nomama ufuna ukuze stadium ngenxa yalo baba lo. You understand? So we are so grateful for everything that he has done, and hopefully la yakhona ahambe kahle asebenze kahle. I mean, I told people namhlanje bakhuluma into eningi ngathi bafethu if bo qualify wophu kwenye indawo bakuthembisa i2 rand ngeke uyeke i2 rand umuntu. So you have to respect that and what he has done for the team. Kunama player labe wabhuyiwa namhlanje lawo ma players washayila izandla sibanika namakhopa baningi abohot odwa naye bekabhuwa mfuthu ukumvudi naye besingamfuni. So you have to wagcina wathi umzuku amanje wabantu phathwa ikhanda ngathi bekaphathwa ikhanda elingapholi ngenxa yokuthi athuka amafeni emamolini and so forth. So we are grateful for this coach bafethu noma singayenzani. I think it's going to take another 10 years to find another coach like this, such a humble gentleman. uRulani yakhumbula makahamba wathi uRulani wathi I've never seen a human being like this in my life, and siyambonga nathi uyabona after game ngeke umbone sekagijimela emathaneleni uyeza kithi uthatha ithombe uyabulisa abantu uyajabula nathi uyasibonisa ukuthi uyasithanda noma sidliwe. Uyangunderstand? So siyam appreciate ingako konke against asenzele kona and management yeOrlando Pirates for kusitholela umuntu ofana nalo. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu. Just hoping going forward isizini iphelile manje sisherila amacup nabanye abantu kudlala abakhala 1-1 sine-MTN 80 bane Nedbank laba abanye nabo I'm sure bazothatha le cup entsha. So we are grateful and everybody is happy. I don't think anybody is gonna cry. The only thing nje ukuthi thina amabhakani Saturday asilala sithunyela ama messages phone sigcine sicema amafoni.
Ulala kanjani ushawe?
Phuma nasama siphume nasama groupini amanye sibona udala is too much. Ukuyobona nona
asikho. But Bhakani left the group.
Yeah, vele ndoda usenzani mfowethu ngoba manje uyaraselwa every day, but mina I was happy the Chiefs actually finally got a trophy for after so many years bafethu. It was not gonna be fair ukuthi manje nathi sithathe cup sibathatheli cup. No, it's not gonna be fair. I think amajita ukujabula kwabo nathi ukujabula kwethu, and going forward I hope nabo balungisa into zabo nganathi mele siqalele phansi silungisa inkinga zethu ngoba
coach akasekho.
So but what a beautiful game la, and I hope Jose Rivero la yakhona guys. I hope succeed because la yakhona abantu bakhona amahlanya abantu abekugrela abantu laba bala talent ezibovu nama labantu abayana beCochrane bakhuluma ngebhola every hour labantu labo noma so culture yabo uma badliwe umuntu akadli for 5 days athandazela ukuthi mela win futhi. So siyabonga. No, I trust Orlando Pirates management to do the right thing at all times, to scout even players. You wonder the way how they scout the players, how they scout the coaches, how they scout the training people, how they train their players. It's because they've got the experience. So I have a feeling and a hope that everything something abayenzayo, we're gonna trust it, and then sizobona ngabo maba lethele coach, and then we'll appreciate and move forward. But the shoes are too big that you have to go and feel.
Big time,
The bar is
very high.
Very high.
Yeah.
On a character of it. You know, as uJose mfethu noma umshayeli uza kugayisana umvithizile akalwi. Where do you find a coach like that in Fethu? So I think I trust mina Orlando Pirates ngiyayithemba, and let's hope abantu umuntu ozomletha uzosilethela iglobe, because thina siyashota phela Champions League siyashota nge-league siyashota ama trophy. Well, angeke ngiqhome ngithi asinandaba nawo, but you must understand ukuthi there's a certain limit that the team has to reach. With league sagcina kuyithatha 2012 Champions League 95.
Exactly,
so that's the space gap emele sizama ukuthi siyivaleni as a football team, where we need to now push harder. Nama player now needs to push themselves. I think nama problem mhlamba khona in the back room, they need to be fixed sooner than later. Lento zama contracts zabo signing abazama ukuzilungisa, angazi signing uzobuya na, because siyamdinga lo mfana lo, no matter what. Although ungeke wazi ukuthi inkinga yakhe yini, abantu can speculate, but we need ama player fana nokuthi akorele igoli kusathi babhayela shay goal. You understand? So that's a player. So umufuke ngisasemncane ene umufuke ngiphela khona i-team engazi idive fit na 50 million. Angeke bayahamba. Nabazali bangeke bahamba. Bazothatha hamba. So that we need to understand, with that we need to refill those gaps that are going to come up, and appreciate with even if it player hamba, we can replace that player.
Thank you Bafo. All the best. I hope uthole i-coach grand.
Yeah, yabo.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.